Good day, children. Welcome to today's class. Today we'll begin with a new topic in drawing. Okay, children, tell me which is the fastest means of travel? Yes, airways and aeroplane, helicopters, rockets are the fastest means of travel, right? So today we are going to learn how to make an helicopter. So, are you all ready, children? Let's get started. Let's start to make a helicopter. You will keep your book horizontal, draw a margin on all the four sides, okay, and after that, you are going to make an oval shape, okay. Now, remember, children, you will not do that oval shape in the center, okay, slightly on the left side, okay, not on the left side, leave some space from down and more space up, less space down and more space up, and this part should be empty for us to draw the tail of the helicopter, okay. So now next what are we going to do is we will make the cockpit window, okay. Now you will just make a curve like this, okay, two lines for the cockpit window. Next we'll draw a door, okay, just a simple rectangle, okay, standing rectangle, okay. Now next you will draw two lines on the left side and two lines on the right side, okay, not very thin, not very fat, okay, not very thick, not very thin, okay. Then next you will draw a horizontal line like this, okay. We'll draw a horizontal line down, okay, and from one end you will make a curve and join it. The other side you will just curve, you will do little up like a J shape, okay. Can you see? Okay, so that will be the bottom part of the helicopter on which the helicopter lands, okay, the support for the helicopter. Now let's draw the tail for the helicopter. So you will make two slanting lines, but you will not join the line here, okay. You will not join the line on the top. What you have to do is you are going to make a small circle, how I have shown you here. Make a small circle, okay, just make a small circle. Then you will do the fan, okay. So how will you do it? Just two lines and join it, two lines, join it, two lines, join it, okay. These are the blades of the fan, okay. Now we have to draw two more blades on the top, okay. So first you will draw a small rectangle, okay, very small rectangle. Then over that little cone shape you will draw, that is you will draw two slanting lines like this, okay. Don't join, you have not to make a triangle, okay. Then you will make a circle, okay. Make a circle over that cone shape, make a circle, and then you will draw the blades as I have shown you here, okay. Now how will you draw the blades? Just two lines and join it, and when you are drawing the blades, this part should be little thin, okay, which is near the circle, little thin, and as you go forward make it little thick. Okay, and then curve, with a curve join it. Okay, so when you start it should be little narrow. Okay, when you start it should be little narrow, and as you go forward little broad, and then join it. Okay, so the blades are ready. Okay, so this fan, this blades rotator, it is a rotor, it is called, so it will go round and round and the helicopter flies. Okay, now what are we going to do? We'll start with the coloring part. Okay, so now what have I done? I have done the cockpit glass with blue color. Okay, that is little darker shade of blue, very lightly I have done. Okay, and this remaining oval part I have done yellow. Okay, now next draw the tail with orange color. Okay, fill up the tail with orange color. Okay, now next the door you will color it red. Okay, color it red. You can even use your choice colors also, children, but I have shown you a combination which will look very nice after drawing. Okay, now next for the ear, this rectangle I have done light green. Okay, then the cone part I have done dark green, and same dark green I have done the circle also here. Okay, now next the circle between the blades I have done red. Okay, now we'll color the blades with gray color. Okay, I have used gray color to color the blades here, and same way the blades on the tail part. Okay, can you see here? Okay, so the upper part of the helicopter, the two blades also gray, and the tail part also, that fan I have done it gray. Okay, now come to this part, the curved window part, I have done it black. Okay, I have done this black. Okay, then same way you are going to repeat black here also on the two vertical lines and the sleeping line also, that is the horizontal line also, the bottom part. Okay, now the coloring of the helicopter is done, but where does the helicopter fly? In the sky. So let's make the sky. First we'll make some clouds. Okay, let's draw some clouds. I've drawn some clouds, not very big, not very small. Okay, then I have colored the clouds white, but because it's a white paper it is not clearly seen. I've colored the clouds white. Okay, after that the sky, very lightly I have colored it blue. Okay, sky blue color. Okay, this blue was a little dark blue which I have used for the window, and the background of the sky is blue. You know, children, actually this glass is white, plain, transparent, but because of the reflection of the sky, always this glass looks blue. Okay, most of the time. So I have done that blue. Okay, so do light blue, sky blue color for the sky. Okay, so now the helicopter is ready for the ride. Okay, so enjoy, children, making the helicopter and color it very nicely. See you in the next class. Thank you, Saira.